Welcome back to Crypto Talk. It is early. I couldn't sleep. Jet lag still messing with me, but I did get a lot of sleep. This isn't rocket science, guys. We had a topping pattern. I pulled a fixed value area range. I've also had some key areas we watched. We got rejected off the daily trend line for the candle closes on the weekly. So that's the one I'll have here. So candle closes here in white, and then the candle wicks here in yellow. That goes back. It's based on the weekly pull, not on the daily or the 4 hour, but I'm zoomed into the 4 hours so you guys have a little more clarity on what's happening. So we had a topping pattern. Bart Simpson pulled through, liquidated a bunch of longs that caught in late. Did not hold the top of this pattern. We are getting support currently off of the point of control, and then we have the 200 SMA right below us. So this isn't rocket science. Like I've always say, keep playing the range, right? You're in a range now. So you went back up, you came back down. The question is New York going to hold this up, or are we going to come back up and get rejected here again and then come back down? So likelihood is you're probably going to see some ping-ponging. We're pretty close to where I'd expect us to bounce, somewhere between the 61.8 all the way up to like 62.8 to 63. So we could see a bunch of just this for the time being, which would be very healthy. Cement this range, then push up higher later in the week, like Tuesday or Wednesday. So need to wait and see what the stock market does this morning. New York should have a very interesting open. If I zoom in for you here, you can see we're trying to form a bottom pattern, but this also could be a bear flag. So be careful. That's the 1 minute. Let's jump out to the 10. You can see the waterfall we had. It lost a bunch of levels. But we could just put a little ray here on this guy. And we could call that one, I'll make it, I don't know, red. SFP level. So 62.6 will be a really good SFP. So if we flush down through that and get some actual buy pressure with it. So we came back down here, hit the previous month's low as well, and then kind of previous week, I should say, and then start stair-stepping our way back up. That would be bullish, in my opinion. So keeping this video short, there's not much else to talk about. Altcoins are doing well. I'm watching Boom, Band, Sushi. They're all actually holding up quite well during this Bitcoin drop. This one, even Boom, is more of like a bull flag, just kind of a falling wedge. Trend lines are just meant to help you kind of visualize things. So this is bullish in many cases. I already showed you this is potentially a 3,500% return on Boom if the weekly plays out. Meme coins are really hard to predict, but TA is TA. SUI is you're going to get it probably a minimum of the 3618 in the near future, so towards $7. You're looking like a 5.5 to a 7x return on SUI. So altcoins are about to explode. I'm not even going to pull up the Bitcoin dominance chart. I'm too tired to do so. But I just wanted to give you a quick run through and what I'm seeing here. This one's the most self-explanatory in terms of what I'm looking at. Smaller range at the top here, pulled. We're bouncing at key levels based on that, the point of control. Larger range is down here. You're at 59.2. So 59.100 was also a key level of support. So take it one step at a time. Remember, everything's a range, right? So I'll leave you at this. You had a range here, you failed. Mini range. You had a bigger range here, we're holding it. You had a bigger range even down here, which I won't even zoom out to show you, just to get you get the point. So play the range, as I always say. So nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head to Crypto Block Wall on Twitter, the Blockguard Discord, Patreon if you need some private coaching, and Fusio and Blockguard have almost released all the key features we need to make your life better. I will do another video later on, but decentralized wallet, on-ramping, off-ramping, credit card payments, ease of use for a new person getting used to cryptocurrency, from a basket of assets like index funds, portfolios type stuff, to just making it super simple and not having to worry about potentially a seed phrase. So I don't want to promise that, but we're working with an interesting partnership where they are going to hopefully get rid of seed phrases. So that will be interesting. So I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.